Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. What a trading session it has been. What a week it has been for the Nasdaq 100. Once again, the markets have done exactly what I predicted them to do. So if you go back to yesterday's video when we were trading just below 13,000, I said that going into today's trading session, I was looking to target that 13,100 level. And as you can see, we have sliced through that level and we currently find ourselves trading at 13,248. Fantastic for the Nasdaq. We had some large companies reporting earnings this morning and last night, like the likes of Netflix. Now, if you've been watching my videos for some time, I've warned you. I've said that I am anticipating for the big FANG stocks, the likes of Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, to report outstanding numbers when they bring out their earnings at the end of January and going into the month of February. And as you can see, Netflix, I was right. Netflix smashed earnings last night. It's now just announced that going into the end of 2021, it believes it will become cash positive, which is fantastic for the company because they took out such large amounts of debt to fund all their filming projects, to give people the content that they needed. And as you can see, the investment really has paid off. So really good news for Netflix. And as you can see, their stock is currently up 15%, all the way from $500 up towards $575 a share. And this is the exact same movements that I expect to play out throughout this month and throughout February, when we have the likes of Apple, the likes of Amazon, the likes of Facebook, the likes of Google, all bringing out their earnings. I am anticipating them to all blow out the expectations for their quarters. So very, very bullish. I did say, once we hit that 13,100 level, which is the all-time high, we're likely to go and target 13,500. And that's exactly what we're attempting to do. We're only 250 points away from 13,500. And once we get there, it looks to me that we'll go looking for 14,000. I said to buy the Nasdaq 100 all of last week. You need to add on the dips. So well done to anyone on my YouTube channel who listened to me and managed to capitalize on that trade. I said, the RSI down at 50 is a fantastic value to be picking up in this market. And as you can see in today's session, we've shot up through the roof. We're currently at 66, so we're not yet quite overbought. Technically, this chart is just fantastic. This is what you want as an investor. Just a slow upward momentum. Every now and then we do have some rather significant pullbacks. COVID, very rare situation that we found ourselves trading in. But every now and then we do get pullbacks like this, and they should be taken advantage of because for the last 2 decades, I've said this before, we just go up and up and up. Indices are a product. Indices are a product and they were built to go higher, and that's exactly what the Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones 30 have been doing for the last couple of decades. So buy on my dips. I'm still very, very bullish. I anticipate the big FANG stocks to continue to blow out, to report blowout quarters, throughout this earnings season. So I'm a buyer of a Nasdaq 100, no interest in selling. If you sell this indice, you're going to lose money. It really is as simple as that. So if you're watching this video, you do want to be buying the Nasdaq 100, and that's why you should join our Signal team. Our Signal team, we can help you get the best entry points and tell you where to target. So thank you very much for watching this video. Going into Thursday session, I'm looking to see whether we can target 13,300 and then slowly work our way up towards that 13,500 level. I think 13,000 now becomes the floor due to its large psychological presence.